If you are building a React Native app using RevenueCat for managing subscriptions, here's a way to grant lifetime free access to your app users. Before I show you the setup, here's a little bit about terminology. RevenueCat has a concept of products, offerings, and entitlements. Products are what the user buys when they use your app. Those are the products that you imported from App Store and Play Store. You had to create those products. Entitlements define a level of access, so think pro access, expert access, and so on. And last offerings are a group of products that are shown on a paywall. For this method, products and offerings are irrelevant. I will only use the entitlement that I will manually grant to the users I choose. If you don't have RevenueCat set up, I made another video and I won't focus on details of the RevenueCat integration, so I suggest you watch my other video or read the article. And here's the practical part to give free access to your users. Log into RevenueCat and select your project. Here's the dummy demo project and go to product catalog. You will create a new entitlement and call it free. And you don't need to add a product, it's enough to create an entitlement. Now in the code part, be it backend or frontend, you need to check when you get to your RevenueCat customer that he has an entitlements active named identifier free, and that should be enough. For identifying your customer to whom you will assign a free level of access, you can go into the customers search bar and type in his customer ID. By default, RevenueCat will assign an anonymous customer ID, but you can change it to be, for example, if you use Firebase authentication, you can link it with Firebase ID and the email. I can just search by email and find that customer ID. And then you find in the sidebar entitlements, grant, find your created entitlement. You can select duration, maybe a lifetime or maybe something limited. Choose what you want, a week or a month. And that would be it. The propagation should be probably right away if he has internet access and you have attached the customer info update listener. Otherwise, maybe exit the app, reopen, but customer info update listener should sort it right away. And that would be it. Thanks for watching.